Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to deal with product mix and pricing, where we are specifically going to deal with the new product development, why new product development is needed, and what are the various stages in the process of new product development. Coming on to when we say new product development, definitely why the product is developed, how the product is developed, what all those things we are going to learn here. Coming on to what is new product development, it's a process of bringing a new product to the marketplace. When we say new product development, which is also called as NPD, is a comprehensive set of multidisciplinary process that transforms a market opportunity into a marketable new product to satisfy consumers' requirement. According to the Wheelwright and Clark in 1992, they have defined new product development as an effective activity of the organization and the management to bring the products to the market with a low development cost and a short development times, as in we can say bringing new product to the marketplace in concise terms. Coming on why new product development is necessary. Yes, new product development is necessary because taste and preferences of the consumers keep on changing depending on the different developments, different upgradations and all. So depending on the changing in the consumers taste and preferences, increasing competitions, technological advancements, new opportunities in terms of growth and development, risk diversifications to increase the company and the brand reputations as to increase the utilize the excess capacity. There should always be timely a new product development by the different companies, right? These are the 7 reasons why new product developments are required by the companies to survive into the market. Customer need analysis. Yes, customer need analysis because customers are the one who have the taste and the preferences and the wants which keep on changing with the time, right? So their expectations are different, their levels to be met to be as into terms of satisfactions are different. So there is a gap between the expectation and the level met by the products. So that gap we need to fill with the changes made in the development of the product. If the gap is understood well, one could find the opportunities to introduce a new product, make improvements in the existing product, make improvements in the production process, as well as make improvements in the supporting services. These are the gaps, these are the things which are can be the gaps to be filled for the customer's satisfaction. Coming on to the stages of new product development, there are 8 stages of new product development. One and the first called as idea generation, then the idea screening, concept development and testing, market strategy and development, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and coming on to final stage as the commercialization of the product to the entire market. That is launching of the product. So before launching the product, these are the 7 stages which has to be going in much detail on each 7 stages. New product development, as I showed through the diagram, the stages are idea generation, then the idea screening, concept of the development and testing of it, market strategies and development, business analysis, product development, market testing, finally commercializing and launching the entire product into the market. When we talk about the idea generation, you need to get from where are you getting the various ideas? What are the sources of ideas? Internal, customers, competitors, outside inventors, channel members, or the consultant who are providing you the ideas to get a new product developed and launch it in the market. What can be the various methods of getting or generating the new ideas? You need to search for the informations. You need to do a market research on the basis of the competitors and the customers or the consumers. You need to do the technical research in terms of the research laboratories, the various machineries or the various technical upgradations, the softwares. It can be anything. After once we do get the generation of the idea, we need to screen those ideas. So many ideas, you need to shortlist the ideas, which is the best one, which is going to be feasible to be acceptable. Because if it's not feasible, it will not be accepted in the market by the consumers. Then definitely before launching only, it will be a failure. The product should not be a failure. So for that, the feasibility should be understandable. The acceptability should be understandable. Unless until the product is giving you a solution for a particular problem, definitely it will be acceptable. If it is not giving a solution to a particular problem, definitely it will not be acceptable by the customers. For that, screening of ideas should be done so that it becomes a successful in the market in future. You need to develop the cost. Once you have screened the ideas that this can be a successful solution to a problem, definitely you need to develop a concept and test that particular, either it's a product or a service. Who, from who, for whom we are making it, where are we delivering it, why it is needed, all those things has to be considered for. After that you need to develop and do the testing for it. So which is where a detailed has to be understood. What will be the features, who are going to use it, what will be the price, a detailed understanding how a product is going to become as an outcome for. Then you need to develop the marketing strategies, where the strategies can be product, price, promotion, place. These are the four P's which has to be understandable and strategized. Otherwise, if it's not strategized, you are not able to understand which brand you are going to choose for the product, right? What are the regulations of the government which has to be met? What will be the pricing, how the packaging and labeling has to be there, what will be the color, shape, size, properties, features, how much guarantee you can expect that you are able to at least sustain into the market. Coming on to, that's what price. Then the promotions, who are you going to, how are you going to promote it, to the TV, to the newspapers, to the internet, various modes are there right now. Where are you, how are you going to distribute it, through the physical distribution, to the agents directly, to the wholesalers, to the retailers, to the salespersons, what are the things, how are the feasibility should be there. If the product is very good, features are very good, pricing is also very good, everything is good, but the feasibility, the availability is not there when and where the particular customer needs it, it's of no use. You cannot get a demand, you cannot grab the market. Coming on the fifth stage, analysis of the business. You need to analyze the business, how much we are investing, what will be the revenue for the future, what will be the cost estimation, how much we are expecting a projection for the profit, because without the profit you are not able to sustain your business for a longer time. You need to get the profit, projection of the profit should be understood, how much acceptable level of profit you are, that means a margin you are getting for each product, a margin for the entire stock, so that you can continue your business smoothly, right? How much is the risk involved into it, all this should has to be understood in the fifth stage. Sixth stage, you are developing the entire product as a prototype. Okay, this is the product which is going to be there in the market as a prototype. The concept is being made, being developed, and being put into the market to get the overview by a sample. Then you need to do the test marketing. The goal of the test marketing is to validate whether we are going to be successful by just getting us, or just what we say is often being performed by the products, by just giving or distributing a small sample of it to the target customers. If people are liking, they will be start demanding for it. Once they start demanding for it, then you can understand, okay, the demand is there, the people are accepting it, then we can finally go for commercializing the entire product, as into launching the product in that particular specified market, not into the entire market. Then also, when launching is happening, we select a market where people liked it, where people accepted it, and then there we are trying to commercialize that product, not in a sample, but the entire product. That's what are the 8 stages of our new product development. Without these 8 stages, definitely we are not going to be successful. So these are the 8 stages. Where are you going to launch it, selection for the venue of launch is there, what media for the launch of the product has to be there, what are the distributors who are launching it, what kind of press conference as an advertisement or promotion you are doing it, what kind of materials for the promotion you are using it as an strategies and all, what can be the execution of the advertising strategies, so that you are able to be stable in the market, you are able to be accepted to in the market, so that next stage will be the growth stage of the product. So in the introduction stage, these things has to be taken care of. Thank you.